Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we did IMG tag with its attribute alt. Today let's start. Have a look on the screen. One web page is here. In this web page, three lines are there with having three emojis. These three emojis are three different images. The size of the images is small so that you can understand in the well manner. Have a look all in these three lines. Did you notice something? Did you notice? Okay, I am telling. In the first line, the surface of the emoji is aligned with the surface of the text. Means it is the top aligned. And in the second line, the image is aligned in the middle of the text. Similarly, in the third line, the bottom surface of the image is aligned with the bottom surface of the text. How it is possible? Let us have a look on the program. After body tag, in the body tag, BG color is given here. After that, font size is changed. Its size is 4. Color is blue. After that, greening face. Text is written greening face in the first line. You can see greening face. After that, image is coming here. This image is came with the img tag and src. I told you yesterday, with the src tag we define the source of the image from where we are taking the image. After that, our matter in this program is how to align the image in the top side, bottom side, or middle side. As I shown you in the first line, emoji is aligned to the top of the text. It is possible by using its one attribute of the img tag, that is align attribute. Align attribute align the image with the text. Suppose we have written in the first line align equal top, means the top surface of the image is aligned with the top surface of the text. As we are looking in this example, top surface of the image is aligned with the top surface of the text. Similarly, in the next example, you can see align equal middle. Align equal middle. Emoji is coming in the middle of the text. In the second last line, align equal bottom. Align equal bottom. Horizontally, we can give three values of the align attribute, that is top, middle, and bottom, and you can see the effect of top, middle and bottom. Now we can align the image vertically also. Let us see in the next example. See here, in this example the image is coming to the right side of the text. Whatever text you will write, that text can be written in the left side of the image or right side of the image. If you have aligned your image to the right side, text will come to the left side. If you have aligned your image to the left side, then text will come to the right side. Showing you its program. In body, bg color is given light yellow and text is blue. After that, h1 tag is used. In the term 1 I told you, heading 1 to heading 6 for changing the size of the font. So in the heading 1 it is given ice stupa. Here it is coming, you can see. After that, image tag with its attribute source and align equal right, means when the image will come, it will come to the right side, and whatever the space will be left side, add that space, this text will be written. You can see, means horizontally the image can be aligned and its value will be top, middle and bottom. Vertically its value will be left and right. So students, if you have any question, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.